Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we're going to talk about my monthly Scentsy club. I got it a few days ago, but I now have time to make the video. So this is my Scentsy club, my monthly for May. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk Scentsy Club for those of you who don't know what it is. If you already know what it is and you just want to see my Scentsy Club, skip, okay? Until you start seeing me move around with bars in my hand. Then you know to go ahead and click play. Obviously. Okay, so Scentsy Club is a subscription that you control. And this subscription is for your replenishables, your consumable products, your laundry, your clean, your body, your light bulbs, your cotton cleanups, your air purifier filters, your bars, your scent circles, anything that needs to be replenished, okay? And you control how often it comes and how many you get. You can change it at any time, okay? So you can either get your club every month, every other month, or every 3 months, okay? And you can have one of each. And I'll kind of explain to you when I explain my club that I actually have. I'm going to be taking some stuff out and I'm going to explain why. And this is what's so cool about club. Okay, so we have something called Always Get My Bar. If you put a bar in that when it's available, even when it's no longer available, they'll still make it for you in your Scentsy club, okay? So other people can't get it, but you can get it because you put it in your club and you're a smart cookie. And that only applies to bars. It does not apply to anything else. Just Always Get My Bar, okay? Now, you can, once your club hits a $30, you are going to get 10% off. 10% off. Just for buying stuff you already buy, okay? Then when it hits $60, you get the 10% off plus a half off item, which is fantastic, okay? You can also build up rewards. For every dollar that you spend, you get 1 point. You can, you're gonna get your own link. If you send that to someone and they start a Scentsy club, once their club ships, for every $1 that they spend, you'll get 2 points, okay? Those points can be used to help pay for your Scentsy club or items on my website. So that's fantastic, okay? It's like a rewards program. So the thing that I love about it is that most of the bars that I warm in my home are no longer even available. And then I find my most favorites and I put them in my Scentsy club. So the only things I ever warm are my favorites, always, okay? There's never a bar that I'm like, I try it once. If it's not for me, then it definitely does not go back in my club, and I only buy one of it, okay? So I'm going to go through and show you my bars, and they are all, none of them are available to anyone else, but I get them because they're in my club. That's why it's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to go through, most of these were Bring Back My Bars, or were in collections, or just were available and now are no longer available. And I'm going to tell you some of the, after I finish, I'm going to tell you some of the changes that I am going to make, okay? Now, this was part of Bring Back My Bar in the beginning of the year. It's green tea smoothie. I absolutely love it. I warm it in my bedroom. Phenomenal. Such a good scent. So that is for my bedroom, all right? Flirtatious. This was also from the same Bring Back My Bar. Phenomenal. That goes in my bedroom. It's a girly scent. So pretty. Okay. Then I put 2 Pear Blossom and Cucumber. Love this scent so much, you guys. It is phenomenal. I get 2 of them. It smells so ding dang good. I love it. So I got 2 of those. Coconut cotton, which is a staple in my bathroom. I love this in my bathroom. This was part of a Scentsy, Bring Back My Bar. And it's phenomenal. 2 Starburst Sky. I believe it was the Valentine's Day collection. Was it? I loved it. It was part of a 3-pack, but this was the one I really liked. I bought a ton of the hand cream for myself as well, but I have 2 of the bars and I like it in my bedroom. Cherry almond pie. Never thought I would like it. I love it. So good. That was part of Bring Back My Bar, so I have that in there. Blueberry Burst. This was a Easter collection, part of the Easter collection last year. I loved it so much. I like to warm this in my living room. It's phenomenal. I love it. Shut Eye, which was part of the Catching Z's collection. Love it so much. It goes right in my bedroom. I love this one for my bedroom. I like sweet girly scents for my bedroom. Okay. And then It's Love was part of our Valentine's Day collection 2 years ago, and so good. And this is the one I put in my club because this was my favorite. All 3, oh God, that smells so good. Very candy, very sugary. I love that. So that's for my bedroom. Toasted Marshmallow is one of my all-time favorites. This was part of an Easter collection years ago, and it's been in my club, and I love it. Okay, the next one is Pink Cotton. This is one that I'm going to be removing. Not Pink Cotton, Pink Coconut. I loved it, but we have since had better coconut scents. So as much as I love it, I'm going to remove it because I like the Mother's Day one better. There's another one in the Bring Back My Bar that's available now that I liked better. Oh no, it's not Bring Back My Bar. It's Pacific Mist. Was that it from the Scent Warmer of the Month? So we just basically have some better coconuts. So I'm going to remove this one. I have 2 bars of it. It's going to save me 12 bucks. I don't grab it. So if I'm not grabbing for it, it means it's not a favorite. It's got to go. It's not club worthy for me anymore. Another one that I'm removing some, but not all, is Hazelnut Latte. And the reason why I'm removing some is because I've been getting 4 a month, but now I have a nice stash. So I do not need 4 a month. I only need 1 a month. And I believe I also have 1 in my quarterly as well. That will build me up a nice stash for fall, winter, because, oh man, this is good. So this is going to be a fall, winter. So I'm going to keep 1 bar in, but I'm going to remove 3 bars. So now I'm saving myself $6 each minus 10%. And there's 5 bars. So that's why, okay? I did the same thing last time with Toasted Marshmallow. I was getting 5 of these. And after I built up a nice, because again, I like this for the kitchen, the Hazelnut Latte and the Toasted Marshmallow. I love for the living room. Now I have a nice stack. I don't need 5 of them a month. I only need 1. And I think it's also in my quarterly. So that's kind of how it works, right? So the next thing I got was, and remember, I saved 10% on all these bars, okay? Because my order actually went over 60. And I'll show you what I got for half off. So I go through these like cray. I love me a cotton cleanup. If you don't know what a cotton cleanup is, we're going to get your life together because you need this. It'll soak up, they say about 8 cubes of wax, and it's pretty much about 8 cubes of wax. Sometimes I might have to dip another one just to pick up a little bit out of the last warmer. So it'll do 2 to 3 warmers, depending on how many cubes you put in there. And I love these, okay? So I get a pack of these every month because I go through them like crazy, okay? So again, 10% off. Now, because my order went over $60, I get a half price item. And something I need every month, my air purifier filter. It's a $35 filter, but I get it half off. And it's something I already buy. I'd rather pay half price. Hello, right? So that's how it works, you guys. The Scentsy Club is the way to go. The link to my website is going to be in the description of the video. You click that link and it'll say Scentsy Club. You click that, it'll take you right to my Scentsy Club. And if you need help starting it, it's not hard, but if you need help, I can walk you through that, no problem, okay? So that's pretty much it. I love my club. I have such a good club. These are all favorites, and like I said, when something becomes not a favorite and I'm not seeing myself grab it, I take it out, make room for something else, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.